Good morning, everyone. So good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. So R triggering. Did you go through that? Just a minute. Section A or section B? R triggering method. जो लास्ट तीनटा वेवफॉर्म थी अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 90, लेस देन 90 एंड ग्रेटर देन 90. देखिल to whom did I ask
Yes,
to
ma'am.
explain R triggering? R triggering काकू गुटे कहिथिले ना एक्सप्लेन करिया पे.
मैम मते कोसाइन फायरिंग स्कीम कहथिले
कोसाइन आरसी कोइ नथिली
ना मैम
आरसी.
ना मैम
ओके सर आगे सर क्लास नहीं नहीं सीटी शांतनुर भी क्लास अच्छी तो 9:30 में माने सेम हाँ अच्छी सर दी तीन टा ना आगे सर हाँ सर. Okay, so out of in the circuit diagram of that R triggering circuit, okay, in the circuit diagram of R triggering circuit, there are three resistors. The R1 that is used to limit the gate current and its value is found when R2 is equal to 0, and R2 is to vary the gate pulse, and R is the stabilizing voltage. And to find the stabilizing voltage, we have to use two conditions, that is when R2 equal to 0 and also the voltage across that stabilizing resistance R, it should not be greater than the maximum permissible gate voltage. Okay. Now, so I have a question that the alpha is the angle at which the circuit or the SCR will turn on. That is the firing angle. So, alpha is being determined by the value of which resistor? R1, R or R2? Which resistor determines the value of R2? The value of alpha. Who resistor?
R2.
R2. And also we had derived that same thing. Okay. So I hope everyone understood this one. This waveform. Everyone understood? Priyatosh, Siddharth, Amit.
Yes, sir.
Subrat, Swagatika.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Jyoti Ranjan, Dinesh.
yes ma'am
So,
Yes, ma'am.
so maximum, I mean, empty nahi ki ekatha bujhi jiba, but fir bhi the maximum I understood, it's very good. So what is this GT? So from these three diagrams, we can conclude? We conclude that the gate pulse that we give, okay, this gate pulse, it has to be, what is the relation? The peak of the gate pulse. कौन हवा कथा? Less than, greater than, equal to, कौन? The BJP, it has to be, tell the relation. Greater than equal to.
And greater than.
So this BJP, that is the peak of the gate voltage VG, it has to be greater than or equal to BJT for the SCR to turn on or for the triggering of SCR. Okay. Now let's go to RC circuit, RC triggering. So in RC triggering, okay, that means, so in the previous case we were using only R, okay, and the advantage is same. It is simple and economical as in case of your R firing circuit or resistance firing circuit, but the disadvantage is that they will be like the loss of power will be more, because in both the case, in R also and in RC also, the power loss will be more. The power loss कोठी होगा, एट है हमारे gate terminal रे. Okay, ये जो gate terminal रे, the power loss will be more because here the signal is given in a continuous manner. Mane, like suppose that you will पढ़े कोई बात, जब मैं cosine पढ़ी then I will tell you. Okay. But what is the advantage of this RC over R firing capacitor? किछि तो गोटे difference रहबो between that R firing circuit and RC firing circuit. The difference है there we were using only resistors, but here we are using RC combination in the firing circuit. Second, there the firing angle alpha तारो limited range थिला. What was it? The range of this alpha was within 0 to 90. Good, very good. So 0 to 90 only we can control the SCR. Okay, but in RC circuit, the firing angle range, it has been increased to 0 to 180 degree. That means गोटे positive cycle रे हमको से पूरा माने SCR on करी परिबो तुमे. Okay, तो एटा हला one माने advantage of RC firing circuit over R firing circuit. Okay, and again these are two type, half wave and full wave. So half wave means like suppose here, so input supply, this one Vs. Okay, so only positive half wave will get the output here, this one. Negative half wave, the output is 0. Okay, so this is half wave, RC half wave triggering circuit. Kintu full wave mane in both the positive as well as negative cycle, we will get the output here. Eta positive cycle output, negative cycle output. Positive cycle output, negative cycle output. Understood? The difference between RC full wave and RC half wave firing circuit. So full wave and half wave means the output, how we are getting the output. If the output we are getting only in the positive half or in one cycle, so that is a half wave. Whereas if the output, that means output mane kona, this one V0, the voltage across the load. If you are getting in both the positive and negative cycle, so that is my full wave. Okay. So difference खाली एपटे रहबो. The source side रे हमारा full wave और half wave के लिए. ठीक है? So if we connect a capacitor to a voltage source, what happens? Suppose uncharged capacitor को voltage source रे यदि connect करिबो तो कौन होगा? Uncharged capacitor माने कौन? Two parallel plates with a dielectric medium. Then when it is connected to a voltage source, what will happen?
Ma'am, charging process initiate.
It will charge that capacitor, and if we remove that source, that capacitor will act like a कौन हबो
energy source.
discharging.
it will discharge and it will act like a voltage source also, you can say. So in some cases we can use a pre-charged meaning the capacitor that is previously charged. So pre-charged capacitor as a source of voltage. Okay, so the a same jinsa I'll be sharing it into PDF, but for understanding purpose मैं ताको just compile करके गोटे page रे रखिली है ना. तो see here the RC half-wave firing circuit. So here this R, okay, this is a variable resistor that is used to, we are varying this R so as to charge or discharge the capacitor. माने ये जो capacitor initially it has no charge, okay, uncharged capacitor. Initially it is uncharged capacitor, and with the use of this R, the discharge takes place. Okay, so first we will consider minus 180 degree to 0 degree, this negative cycle. माने 0 to like the waveform before the 0, that is the negative cycle only. Okay, so here the capacitor charges with the help of D2. तो charge माने एटा होला negative cycle माने कोन, which one will be plus? This one will be plus or this one will be plus? माने in general जदि हमें notation दबो तो we go for like this, plus and minus means positive. So negative cycle रहले मोरो polarity उल्टा हला, so it will be plus and then minus. Okay, so it charges this capacitor through D2. Hela? So the path is VSC D2 load and then VS. Okay, so this is the path through which the capacitor gets charged itself. Okay, so at minus pi by 2, that is at minus 90 degree, the capacitor charges itself to the maximum value, that is minus Vm. Okay, then it slightly decreases because obviously हम waveform भी ऐसे decrease को चाहिए, तो it doesn't follow this path but it slightly decreases to this value, that is OA. Okay, so at 0 degree the potential across the capacitor is this much, OA. एतिकी value मोरो रहिला हैला at 0 degree. Now positive cycle असला, that is 0 to, okay, alpha suppose हमारा firing angle कुहा होची because here the capacitor voltage, this one, the dotted path is the capacitor voltage. So A dotted path, it is intersecting this VGT line. So intersecting माने कौन? It is equal to this VGT. So where it is intersecting, so that is my alpha point. माने सेठी मोर SR turn on hella and there I am getting the output. Okay, so 0 to alpha degree, what happens? Vs is positive, the capacitor begins to charge in the positive direction. It begins to charge in the positive direction and the path of the current is so Vs load का ही नहीं, variable RC LVS. एटा positive रे एमती charge होच. Okay, positive cycle रे charge हला. When this VC is intersecting this VGT, that is at this point, turn on hela. So turn on hela माने कौन? It got a signal. The VG is applied across this point and it got a signal to turn on. Okay, so thyristor will get turned on when VC is greater than equal to VGT. बुझाला एतिकी everyone? Okay. So turn on हेगला पे. So turn on हे साला पर what happens as VC increases? Okay, VS increases, VC increases to the minimum BJT. So okay, turn on हेगला then. So it is saying that thyristor will turn on when VC is greater than equal to BJT. But practically मोर कौन होगा ये जो VC अच्छी turn on हेगला मने कौन? This VC is providing the voltage across this this point na. So this VC it has to be greater than equal to VJT plus VD1 and maximum because BJT, see this equation, try to understand this equation. Our condition hela VC greater than equal to BJT, hela. But equal to hele B. Suppose VC is equal to BJT hele B. Practically, what will happen? There will be a drop across this D1, na? Diode 1 across the voltage drop over. So practically, this VC it has to be greater or equal to VJT plus VD1. Okay, diode across the voltage we have to consider for practical application. Okay, and what is the then तो ये जो like the 0 to alpha degree day, what is the time constant or how much time will it take to charge? That is R into C. Tau is equal to R into C. This one. Then alpha to 180 degree. Okay. So alpha is already more turn on hegala. So alpha is jetre more like it is a turn on hela. So turn on hele means it will give me this. माने अल्फा रे जति की वेवफॉर्म अच्छी मोर VS सी वेवफॉर्म टे एति मते आउटपुट रे दिखेला. ओके, सो इनिशियली इट वाज टर्न्ड ऑफ तो 0, देन अल्फा रे टर्न ऑन हैला तो इट विल सिंस द लोड वी आर कंसीडरिंग इट टू बी सपोज आर लोड, सो इट फॉलोज द सेम एज द सप्लाई वोल्टेज, देन ऑफ रहेला नेगेटिव हाफ रे, then up to 180 plus alpha. So this one is 180 plus alpha. Again CT motor turn, sorry, this one CT motor turn hela 180 plus alpha ray, and again I'm getting the V0. Okay, now what about VT? VT will be the jo case रे मोरो I mean I'm not getting this V0. In that case this VT will be VS minus V0. VS minus V0 is equal to VT. So V0 minus कर दियो VS ru जहाँ हला, that one is my VT. Okay, so here it is showing that more like depending upon the value of R, this variable resistor, the alpha is determined or the charging of capacitor takes place. Okay, so यदि high value हला, it will take high value means what? Tau is equal to RC. Tau is equal to R into C. Hela. So high value of R means tau will increase the time constant. So therefore the charging of capacitor will take a long time. Sirpe moro alpha 80 hela. Okay. But in this case for low value of R, तो मोर यदि R value कम हे गला, tau भी मोर कम हे गला, so it will take less time to charge. तो बहुत जल्दी माने अल्फा कम्स बिफोर दिस अल्फा. ओके, तो सिर्फ ही हमारा आउटपुट वेवफॉर्म अधिक आसला. सो फॉर हाई वैल्यू ऑफ V0 what we want the R value to be low. Then alpha to 180. So alpha to 180 already thyristor मोर turn on हे गला. Now
R value ଆମେ adjust କରିପାରୁଛୁ C value କୁ ଆମେ ମାନେ small value time function small କରିପାରିବା
C is fixed.
means ମାନେ per given thyristor ମାନେ ତାର ଆମେ time ଇଏ function
देखो varying a C is not, I mean તમે જોઠ भी जाओ, varying C and L is not preferable ହେଲା, and a circuit रे एटा actually काम कोला एटा हला this circuit we cannot play with the circuit, okay, eta achi hela, so only the R is variable but capacitor is fixed, that value hela. Okay, so thyristor once on hegla, so once on hegla means it is providing the resistance across this thyristor is almost zero practically. So the IGT will flow in the path Vs, variable R, D1, GK and Vs. So Vs, load variable R, then D1, then gate and thyroid and then this one. So eta hela alpha to 180, mane once turn on he sala pore moro flow of direction is this much. Okay. Then how to find out the R? So KVL application karaichi, Vs is equal to VJT plus D1 plus IGRT. Okay, so how to find out R? Say the KVL equation put kadala when the thyristor is turned on. So this Vs, it has to be equal to VJT plus VD1 plus R. So a voltage V0 to 0 ही रहेगा. Results are okay. Some equations are not there. So PDF re thibo hela. So what you do? तो एटा generally तमरा like long questions आसी पारे हला. Else it will be short questions like how the value of R affects the alpha of affects the firing angle in RC triggering circuit. As per a short question. So what you do, a diagram ta, so you have to remember, all of you please remember कि जहाँ भी circuit that we are studying, any triggering circuit, कि suppose the semi converter, जहाँ भी तुम्हें पढ़ा, inverter पढ़ा, ठीक है? So the circuit has to be correct, perfect. माने पूरा like diode, suppose someone draw it like this, then that circuit will be completely wrong. मुझे लगा तो circuit को सब बड़े मने रखिबो. Okay, got the point? So in power electronics, it's like circuit and waveform, circuit and waveform. Okay, so सेति पाई अगर circuit को first draw करिबो, then माने how to remember this that I'm saying. Then you go like step 1. Minus 80 to 80 path. The way I draw the path, you also draw the same path. Like this. Hela. Step 2 re path hela moreya. Step 3 re on hegla to path hela. So in that way you will be able to explain these. So eguda mone rakhe darkar nahi. If you remember the path, then you can automatically write these on. Okay? Hela. So whenever you get time, just mane like R triggering circuit or diagram kon thila ha endi thila, then you draw it. Okay, auri pore bahut sara asibo, ठीक है? Now coming to the full wave type. So this one I'll share, but the same thing is in the PDF itself, so you need not worry. So RC full wave type. So here the difference is, so देखो A part, this part, RC anyhow will be there, and that from the C, amra half wave re kona, there was a diode, but in the full wave it is directly connected to the gate, and this one is my, you can say, supply side. Okay, this one is the supply side. So that means what? Vs jaha hele bhi a voltage ta moro apply hochi to the SCR. This one is the power module, you can say. So here the voltage across this point is applied to the SCR to turn on. Okay. So look at the waveform. So देखो, Vs is like our sinusoidal Vn sin omega t, and the voltage across this is what? এটা কোন তুমি জানি থিবো, what is this? এটা কোন circuit?
Full bridge.
Full
Bridge.
rectifier. हाँ, good, bridge rectifier. है ना? तो this is my VC sinusoidal. The voltage across this rectifier. That means we are converting AC to DC, na? Pulsating DC. Again, so the voltage across this VD will be this full bridge rectifier ro jahale moro positive half rehi moro VD asuchi in the positive side only. Okay, this one is my VGT, the straight line. So this straight line is VGT. This one is the VD, that is the voltage waveform that we obtained from the bridge rectifier. Hela. The capacitor more again, so positive half, capacitor will follow the supply na, taku capacitor across jaha voltage hochi sehi hisabe se tar charging habo. To sepe more capacitor charge hochi, and then joti intersect hela BJT line sethi more alpha mane SCR more turn on hela. So again I'm getting the output. Puni से चार्ज है ना, तो again because हमारा VD टाइट ही अच्छी ना, but in the previous case in the half wave rectifier कौन थिला? Negative रे ऐसी होतिला, so it was not able to follow the condition or satisfy the condition that VC should be greater than equal to BGT. है ना? तो सिर्फ पे मोरा इपा नतला. But in this case, since the VD is in the positive direction only, so VC se tara charge hele, it is always in every cycle it is always equal to BJT, so turn on hochi hela. This is my V0 V0 V0, and then 0 to alpha bhitre hela VT, and alpha to 180 hela mor V0. Okay, then again high value and the low value. So low value re mor output voltage adhika asuchi, high value re mor output voltage कम asuchi. Okay, so this is the waveform. So who can sum up the difference between this RC full wave and RC half wave triggering circuit? Sum up and say, what is the difference? Again I have to call name. Lakshman Naik. Lakshman Naik, are you there? Kauna Dikhila, what is the difference between RC full wave and half wave triggering circuit? First come to the circuit. As per the circuit, what is the difference that you can see here from the circuit?
Madam, in that case, half को टूटी full wave हम isolation provide करी
एइथरे जेतु we are talking about only one SCR, सेट पे isolation कथा आस्तुनी हला. But combination of SCR use करके जितने like will make any converter, in that case we have to talk about isolation purpose.
But out मतलब isolation पे मैंने per SCR में हमको कोटे 1:1 use करे पड़ेगा ना, कोटे transformer और branching करे पड़ेगा.
See, isolation is not always a transformer. It can be a combination of R also. हला. तो आमे जो टाइप theoretical पढ़िबा सेथरा में isolation विषय रे डिटेल रे जीवानी. Only we will read about कन्वर्टर को मु इनपुट और गेट पल्स केमती देले मोर आउटपुट आसीबो बट प्रैक्टिकली सपोज तमे जदी करि थान तो प्रैक्टिकल आई मीन जहां भी तमरो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स तो सेठी तमे देखि थान तो ड्राइवर सर्किट अलगा अछि देन एसीआर विल बी डिफरेंट एंड आइसोलेशन विल बी इन दैट सर्किट हैला हां मु कहा को जगली हां लक्ष्मण कुहा व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस सर्किट भी मान देली एटा हला हाफ वेव एटा हला फुल वेव डिफरेंस कोन अरे आर यू सेइंग okay who can lipsa naik say what is the difference at least two difference mate kuho
फुल वेव रे हमको सोर्स सहित ब्रिज रेक्टिफायर जोड़ा है तो हमको दीटा जक साइकिल ऑब्टेन होचे
good
and so we can trigger the SCR in both of the cycles
and we are getting the output voltage in both the cycles good. And now the diodes are not used in full wave. Okay. Now coming to UJT triggering.
मैडम ଗୋଟେ डाउटଥିଲା मैडम जो फुल वेव केस रे गेट पाखरे तो मिनिमम ଗୋଟେ माने रक्षा करथला डायोड माने गेट आउ कैथोड को जदी से नेगेटिव बायस इन चांस कर दे ना
ऑलरेडी हम नेगेटिव बायस ही परिबले ना फुल वेव रे वी आर ऑलवेज गेटिंग पॉजिटिव
माने आमे खाली पॉजिटिव डीसी को ही रेक्टिफाई करू स्पेसिफिकली माने तार फायर एंगलिंग माने वो एंगल देखि ता को जस्ट चॉप कर मैडम माने एटा मैडम काइंड ऑफ माने चॉपर
वी आर नॉट चॉपिंग हियर हम तो चॉपिंग कर रही थी
बट ऑलरेडी तो एससी ता को हमें पॉजिटिव ईयर ही अप्लाई कर दो
हां बट चॉपिंग इज नॉट मतलब चॉपिंग तो मैं दिस इज नॉट अ चॉपर माने डीसी टू डीसी input is also DC and output is also DC. Like suppose eta hala moro 100 volt mu taku maybe 20 volt re chop karch. This is a rectifier to sit pe moro positive ho ki negative ho supply moro output ta सबले positive ही रहउची तो output जदी सबले positive ही रहिला तो capacitor भी मोर positive रे ही charge होची ना तो या माने ए thyristor माने इट इज ऑलवेज इन अ फॉरवर्ड बायसिंग कंडीशन ओनली खाली जेतरो गेट पास दोच तेबे ही मोर आउटपुट आसुची हेलो ठीक है भाबो जदी माने यू आर नॉट हैप्पी विद द आंसर जस्ट थिंक ओके देन UJT okay so before reading about UJT triggering we have to know what is an UJT okay so UJT is unijunction transistor तो unijunction transistor taro okay it is a pulse firing scheme and loss is less as compared to the other R and RC circuit and loss is less so obviously it is highly efficient okay so UJT transistor to see here their construction hela gote N type bar niya habo hela see through gote like ohmic contact through theta terminal bahar karabo base 1 B1 and this is base 2 B2 and there will be a P type layer and that one is my emitter hala so eta hala base 2 base are there B1 and B2 that is N type and the emitter so is your P type so here we are having only one junction PN junction so that is why it is called unijunction one junction transistor hela eta hala tar symbolic representation so that means how to draw so this circle is mane dei paribo not dei paribo but you can draw like this a straight line then two base that is B1, and then B2, and then the ammeter. You can also draw like this without the circle. Okay, so this is the symbol for your UJT. Okay, how to represent this UJT or its equivalent circuit? Its equivalent circuit is like this junction. It has a PN junction, so that is represented by a diode. Okay, so diode re bhi gote junction achi, so it is represented by diode, and this base B1 and B2. Eta hala, these are ohmic contacts. Ohmic. Okay, so you can say resistive in nature. So that is why this B1 and B2 terminal, that is represented by two resistors, that is RB2 and RB1, and out of these two resistors, this RB1 is variable. It has an equivalent circuit. So this equivalent circuit will be required when we go for UJT triggering method. Okay, clear with this, everyone? The symbol, the structure, and the equivalent circuit. Clear, everyone? Are you clear ki nahi?
Yes.
Okay. So the same thing is being described here. Now, so this characteristics, if we, okay, so suppose in this circuit diagram, this is the circuit diagram only, the same equivalent circuit diagram. The diode and voltage across the diode is VT, then two resistor RB1, RB2, and RB1 is variable. Okay, so the VI characteristics of this UJT is drawn across VE and I, emitter voltage and emitter current. So if we draw, first of all, a characteristic देखो, so if we draw this, it will, the waveform, it will follow this waveform. So in this one, we can find 2 points. So first है तुम्हारा peak point, and this point is called the value point. Okay, and due to this 2 point, we can divide. Just a minute. Okay, so because of these 2 points, that is the peak point and the valley point, we can divide this characteristics into 3 regions. So this is the cutoff region, the active region, and the saturation region. Same as like the BJT transistor, है ना? So cutoff region, active region, and saturation region. So in active, actually we operate the UJT in this active region only. Why? Because in this active region, it has a negative resistance. Okay, it has a characteristics of negative resistance. Mane temperature yete increase kale bhi mora. What negative resistance mane kono? What does it mean?
Temperature increases, resistance decreases.
So resistance decrease, it will be easier for us that the current will increase. Okay, so UJT is generally used Mane there are various application of UJT. So one of the application is to fire the SCR, to trigger the SCR. And we are using this UJT in this active region. Okay? Eti bujilo 3 regions and 2 points. Understood, everyone? Understood? Okay. Now, so if VAB, okay, ANP. So if the voltage, suppose the voltage across two base B1 and B2 is VBB. So voltage across two base B1 and B2 is VBB. So what will be this VB1 voltage divider rule apply karo? VB1. So these two resistors are in series.
VBB into RB1 divided by RB1 plus RB2.
So VBB into the same resistor, that is RB1 divided by RB1 plus RB2. Okay. And there is one, you can say, ratio that is termed as this eta. There is one ratio that is eta. Okay. So this ratio is known as intrinsic, like tamara intrinsic and extrinsic na, ita hela intrinsic standoff ratio. In case of BJT, we have a ratio known as intrinsic standoff ratio that is represented by eta, and that ratio is equal to RB1 divided by RB1 plus RB2. This RB1 tame vary kar pacho, that is why RB1 divided by sum of the base resistors. Okay, RB1 divided by RB1 plus RB2. So that is why this VB1 is equal to eta of VB2, because this is my eta, intrinsic standoff ratio. So VB1 is equal to eta into VBB. Understood? So this eta, how we are getting this ratio? By varying this RB1. And this eta is generally in the range of 0.6 to 0.8. 0.6 to 0.8. Okay. So this we are talking only about the UJT. हमें इथे SCR किसी connect करी नहीं. ठीक है? But before reading about the UJT triggering circuit, we have to read about the UJT characteristics. Now coming to this side, the V, mane emitter side. So in emitter side, the VE equation जो मैं KVL apply करेगी, it will be VE is equal to this VD plus VB1. Okay, VE is equal to VD plus VB1, or I can say VE is equal to VD plus eta of VBB. Okay, eta of VBB. Okay? So you can say this VE is somewhat controlled by eta, and this eta is somewhat controlled by this base resistor RB1. Understood? Understood or not? बुझियोला? हेला? So for the माने again a circuit को आमे एठी then SCR लगेवा. हेला? तार आउ गुटे confusion माने a total circuit को it will be connected to the SCR. Okay? So SCR को voltage दबा को हेले we want a condition that this VE it should be, you can say, greater than equal to VD plus eta VBB है ना a emitter voltage यदि greater than equal to this voltage है ना तो then it will be able to supply the voltage drop across gate cathode है ना so that will read next class
मैम
हाँ
मैम से जोटा नेगेटिव रेजिस्टेंस रिजल्ट टा टिके आउथरे बुझी परिबे यूजेटी
हाँ तो मुझे just कहली negative resistance माने कौन with the increase in temperature the resistance decreases तो resistance decrease में हमारा फायदा है ना current increase करो तो से ये फायदा था that I'll tell you tomorrow कि current increase कले मोर कौन होगा है ना
ओके
हाँ तो एटी जस्ट देखी दियो माने एटी मोर UJT अच्छी emitter base and then एटा मोर गेट को कनेक्ट हिच that means ए वोल्टेज ता मोर गेट को जाउछ ठीक है so tomorrow we'll read about this UJT firing and then cosine and if possible protection भी start कर देवी okay wait let me take the attendance okay thank you everyone
Okay, ma'am.
hmm.